What's happening, everyone? Today I'm going to do a quick review of these Scarily spicy pork belly slices. These were £4 from Iceland, which I think is quite expensive really for 330 grams. Let's have a quick look at the ingredients. Haven't spotted any really bad ingredients apart from, I'm not quite sure what sodium acetates are, so I'll put some information up about that at the end of the video. Let's have a look at them. See if they survive the peel test. Almost, but I did mangle the tray a little bit. And cooking instructions, I'm going to air fry them, says 18 minutes at 180, so I'll get these into the air fryer and come back to you when they're cooked. Wow, look at them. Okay, let's get them out. Seem quite crispy. Yeah, they are very crispy. Look pretty good actually. See what they smell like. Don't smell of much. They don't smell especially spicy, to be honest. Just got a few pieces ready to test them. I'll get a bit of this end one. The burnt ends are usually best, aren't they? We'll get a burnt end and a bit of a middle bit from this one. Looks a bit less crispy. Okay, let's give these a taste. The initial taste wasn't much, didn't really taste of much. There is a little tiny bit of a burn at the back of the throat. I'd say they are moderately spicy, but they're not really spicy. I've had better pork belly, to be honest, taste-wise, in terms of the actual pork belly taste. I mean, this is obviously, this is nowhere near as hot as the seriously spicy curry, the Carolina Reaper curry. That nearly killed me. That was literally the hottest curry I'd ever had. Maybe I had one in an Indian restaurant that was nearly on par with it. But yeah, that gave me convulsions. I mean, this is... If you're someone who doesn't like spice, I'd avoid it. But I mean, it's basically... It's medium. It's medium spiced. It's got a tiny bit of a honeyish taste. Is honey one of the ingredients? What is it I'm tasting here? Not really sure. It's got some like a syrupy honey kind of taste. Doesn't seem to have anything like that in it. Lime oil. I think that's what it is. Lime oil. It's got, yeah, it's like a citrusy kind of taste. It's alright. I wouldn't buy it again. Not for £4. I wouldn't buy it again anyway. Because, I mean, you're not getting, you know, the intense heat that some morons like me like to test themselves with the seriously spicy. And you're also not getting the best tasting pork belly for the price. So it doesn't really deliver, in my opinion. Let's try another crispy bit. Yeah, and it's a bit too chewy. A bit too chewy for pork belly as well. It should kind of melt a bit more from past experience. So, so yeah, that's the end of the review. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you like my miscellaneous videos. Okay, see you later. Bye.